Dave is a professional rider.
Hello, this is David from China Sports. Today, I'm going to install an audio system on this bike right here. Okay, on the last time of the first video that follows on after that, I was explaining how I got these speakers and an amplifier from China. So here is the me removing the essential part to get to the wiring. Then after that, I was explaining how the bike had a 2-wiring connector that was previously left by the factory for an extra module for me to connect it. Now, the error to this is that as I was doing the installation, only the negative of those 2 wires were active. The other one, which was black and red, didn't give any positive feed at all. So what I had to do is I had to wire the positive and the remote wire from the amplifier to the bike's battery key switch positive black and white wire. Now once I had done that, then it lights up. Then afterward, drill the hole for the speaker, right? Install a speaker which is about 2.89 to 2.90, which is a perfect tight fit. In Chinese, the hole saw is also Chinese, right? And then these are waterproof speakers. So this is the installation afterward. Everything is done neatly. And now we are on the next step, which is testing those speakers after the installation. All right, folks. Today we're going to test out the sound system. First thing is, I'm going to start the bike. Right? Turn it on. So this is where the magic comes into action. What you're looking at, right? This is from Amazon. Originally, before I was running this on my phone, but since I'm using the phone to film, I really cannot show you the sound system unless I have a different device for that. So I'm going to use my laptop. I'm going to watch a YouTube video so I can play it. Otherwise, before it was wireless. Now, the goal is to be three feet away from the motorcycle. This is 1 foot. 2 feet because it's plural, and this is 3 feet. So it's to be 3 feet away from the motorcycle, camera to the motorcycle, right? Away from the sound system. Right here somewhere. Alright, that's 3 feet for me. Now, since I want to show you the place we're working at. Go to the internet. That works. As time passes by, the internet becomes stronger. Since I just rebooted the computer, right now it's very slow. So these two I wanted, because these are on my video, I can be, let's do left and right, right? 100%. Video. Yes. This is China, the official dealership website for Chinese motorcycles. When I said the official dealership, I meant that you need a tax ID to even think about ordering some parts there. Now this is my account. When you click on my order, right, you can see here electroplating, metal burden lamp, single mount bracket 1, Lifan motorcycle accessory, left and right hand switch, headlight start, dimmer switch, and you look at empty filter element 19. Stuff came from China. Right? And that's from China how. This is the bracket. This is the motorcycle left switch. And this, my friend, is a filter. Now, pretty soon I'm going to do the light, so I'm going to replace the left switch because the one on the bike is kind of faulty when you're turning left and right, and I had greased it over the summer. It's still working, but when I had noticed it, I placed the order since I got the new piece. Even though the one on the bike is now working, I'm still going to switch it. When the bike reaches 8,200 miles, I have to change the spark plug. Then I have to change the filter. Now, you cannot get these anywhere, as I've searched, not even on AliExpress. So unless American Lifan has their own China supplier like I do, technically if you ask Lifan that part, they're gonna tell you that they don't have it. Unless you can fabricate one from a regular phone with knives and CNC machines or something like that. Otherwise, this is extremely rare to get. But of course, I am China Motorsports, so I should be able to get these things, right?